So the whole army decided that they were gonna fight off the Taliban. Second World War in Germany, not in Germany, Florida. When you turn the page, be careful that one man was shot out of his helmet. Second World War. Man shot out of his helmet. Okay, are you ready? This World War started all the way from Canada to Germany. And when this happened, one man was killed. Wait until you hear this. This person still survived. Still with the second person that was hurt still with him. Then the Taliban's killed him. The end. I read the whole book.
What was the book you read? What's it called?
General Die in Bed.
Thank you. That was a good history lesson.